This is a review of the NETVUE VGel Plus 2 security camera. That's a 2K, pretty much it supports that. It's a home wireless camera. It's a weatherproof and it's a two-way audio spotlight siren. Pretty much it has those features, and we're gonna unbox this and show you guys what you get from the package. And we're gonna pretty much also download the app and see how well this thing works and pretty much all the programs and options it has. So without going further, let's unbox this to show you guys what you guys get in this package. So I have the box opened up. This is what you get in the package. So we get pretty much the NETVUE, pretty much the instruction manual guide. If you get stuck or lost or something, you have that. Then we get the solar panel. So the solar panel is what absorbs from the sun and then it turns on like that. And you want to make sure you put this on in a location where it is nice and secure, and also in a location where there's enough sunlight. So that way your solar camera, it'll stay charged to 100% all the time. Because if you put it in a location that's pretty much a wrong place, then it's not going to charge up all the way and you may have issues with the camera functioning. So keep that in mind. Make sure that you install this piece at a location where there's fully a significant amount of sunlight. So that's that right there we get. And then from there we get the solar security camera, which I'll pull out and show you guys. Okay, so we got everything out of the package, and this is pretty much the camera itself. I do want to say this is extremely high quality and it feels very nice and durable. And this is the antennas that is attached to it to give the connectivity and the network. So you want to make sure you have that up when you have it installed. But installation wise, it doesn't look too difficult or anything like that. You can see it comes with an instruction manual guide. Up right here we get the screws and hardware that comes with this. So this pretty much attaches to the bottom of it, and this is the bracket that's attached to that, so it's pretty adjustable as well too. You could adjust this however you like to, and it comes with the hardware like I mentioned. Right here we get the screws that's needed, and you're pretty much gonna have to drill a hole into the wall mount or pretty much any like any location that you're trying to put it on. You want to make sure you got the right size to drill it, and it comes with this for a wall mount screw positioning sticker. So it also has like a measurement to measure where you exactly want to put it, install it. Right here we get the screws, the pretty much not the screws, the USB to pretty much to charge it up. You have that to pretty much if you have to go back it up from the iCloud storage, so you have that. And then right here, like I mentioned, that's your solar panel to pretty much charge up your camera. And yeah, now I'm going to pretty much install this and show you guys. Download the app of NETVUE. You pretty much download that, go to the app store, download that, and then from there we should be good to go and see how well the quality and how good this camera is. So the next video we're pretty much going to see how the quality is and the options it offers when it's installed. Okay, so this is how it is at nighttime, and you can see that it's really high quality. Right here we get like 4 different options. So we get the light mode. So when I turn this on, you pretty much have the light feature. So at nighttime you can see what's going on at night, and in the dark you can see how bright it is, and it's really high quality. The brightness is very high. Then we get the sound mode, so you could hear the recording of the sound since it comes with the sound. You have the screenshot. If you see something that's unwanted, you could take a screenshot of it. The recording is also the option too. It also comes with it also has an iCloud built-in storage, so pretty much you could record as you go and save everything you want. You could also talk in the camera. It also has a siren mode, so if you see something that you see that's not supposed to be there, you click the siren mode and it's going to give you the siren effect, which is pretty cool. The microphone option, so if there's somebody at your door or something like that, you could talk through the microphone and talk to them through the camera, which is a very one of the cool features I love about this camera. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this NETVUE security camera because of the fact that it offers a lot of security. It has a lot of features. The light mode, the security mode it has, the sound effects, the police sirens. This is one of the best cameras I would definitely recommend. And if you're looking for a replacement or a new camera, then this NETVUE security camera is probably one of the best cameras that you could get, and I would definitely recommend this.